Welcome to Gundam Pro's 73rd Shipment Tower. Let's see how the tower was built with a quick time-lapse short, followed by us checking out these incredible kits. In this tower, we have 36 model kits consisting of 19 SD kits, 14 high grades, 1 real grade, 1 figurized standard, and 1 30-minute sister model kit. Let's start with SD kits. RX-75 Gun Tank, MS-06S Shars Zaku 2, RX-78NT-1 Gundam NT-1, GAT X-102 Dual Gundam Assault Shroud, ZGMF X56S/A Force Impulse Gundam, RX-78-2 Gundam Animation Color, GN000 Zero Gundam Type ACD, GN001REII Gundam Exia Repair 2, RX-0 Unicorn Gundam, Night Unicorn Gundam, RX-93 New Gundam, Sengoku Astray Gundam, and LGZ-91 Lightning Gundam. For SDEX Standard, we have XXXG-01D2 Gundam Death Scythe Hell EW. For SD Cross Silhouette, we have RX-78-2 Gundam, XM-X1 Crossbone Gundam X1, MSN-04II Nightingale, MS-06F Zaku 2, and MSZ-006 Zeta Gundam. For High Grade Universal Century, we have ME-02R-F01 Messer Type F01, and STTS/F-400 Murasami Kai. From Build Divers Re-Rise, we have PFF-X7II Core Gundam 2 Titan's Color. For Gundam 00, we have GN0000 plus GNR-010 00 Razor Designer's Color version. From Iron Blooded Orphans, we have ASW G08 Gundam Barbados plus Long Distance Transport Booster Kutan Type 3, UGY-R41 Manroddy, EB-06RS Carter's Gray's Ritter, ASW G29 Gundam Astaroth, Mobile Armor Hashmal, V08RE-0526 Helmwige Rheinkar, STH-05R Roe, EB-08JJC Regan Lays Julia, and ASW G01 Gundam Bale. For Super Robot Wars, we have Gunleon. For Real Grade, we have Evangelion Unit 01. For 30-minute Sisters, we have Kogain Tsukioka. And for Figurized Standard, we have Ultraman Taiga Multi-Type. Thanks for watching today's Shipment Tower video. See you in the next tower.